There's one student asked me this question, Sifu, many Chinese classes are enrolled. They always teach these basic things, which is called hello, which is ni hao, thank you, 谢谢, goodbye, 再见, and then another one they will say, how are you? How are you in Mandarin? You will say 你好吗? Now let me ask you this question. Do you say how are you when you meet your friends? Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. So what about you? I'm also fine. Do you talk like that when you meet your friends? Ataupun dalam masa Melayu, you jumpa member, you cakap, Hai, apa khabar? Khabar baik. Kamu pula, saya juga baik. Do you talk like that? Or in Tamil, நீ எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன். உங்களுக்கு? நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன். Do you talk like that in your own mother tongue? You don't, right? So now, do you think Chinese talk like that when they meet anybody? I'm talking about Malaysia. Only in Malaysia, not in China or anywhere. So you do not use how are you at all. So I'm wondering why many places are actually teaching this. Where I don't teach this. I teach day to day. Like for example, when you meet somebody, you will tell in English, hey, so how? So what's up? Or in Malay, you tell macam mana? In Tamil, அப்புறம் எப்படி? So you talk like that, correct? So similarly in Mandarin, when a Chinese meet a Chinese, you will never see them saying ni hao ma to each other. Alright? So but if you want to know how to use ni hao ma, yes, there is a way. Because from ni hao ma, you can actually switch to many other subjects. Like for example, for new students coming in, ni hao ma is called how are you. But if what you can do is you understand the actual context of ni hao ma. If you understand the context, then you can switch. What do you mean, Sifu? I don't understand. Okay. You see, ni is you. How is good. Ma is to ask a question. That part you understand? So that means if somebody wants to ask a question in Mandarin, you just have to put a ma behind. Very easy, Sifu. Yes, it's very easy. So ni hao ma is how are you? If you go directly word for word, it means are you good? Ni is you. How is good? Ma is to show a question. So are you good? Now, this is the secret. You can switch ni to any other things that you want. Like for example, in my class, I always tell students, if you do not know any subjects in Mandarin, you just have to bring in the this and that. This is called 这个, that is called 那个. For those of you who do not know, just remember this song. 这个那个那个这个这个那个那个这个. Okay, 这个 is this, that is 那个, 这个那个, 这个那个, 这个那个那个这个. Okay, so if you want to tell, is this good or not? So how do you tell in Mandarin? 这个好吗? Don't you think this is much better than 你好吗, which nobody uses? 这个好吗? What about that? That is called 那个. Is that good? 哪个好吗? 哪个好吗? 这个好吗? 那个好吗? Isn't it easy? The thing here is you do not really need to know any other words in Mandarin. I mean the actual vocabulary. You don't need. You just need to know this and that. 这个好吗? 那个好吗? That is much better. Because if you put into another context of 你好吗, if someone asks you 你好吗, you just reply 我很好, correct? 我 is I, 很好 is good. So 很 is very, so 好 is good. So 我很好, correct? You take out 我 and you put in 这个那个. 这个好吗? 这个很好. So if you are in the sales line, you're in the customer service line, you're attending customers, you're attending people, you're just attending people, but you do not have a good grasp of the Chinese language, but you want to impress them. Use this. Easy words. You don't really need to know the whole length of Chinese language. 你好吗? All of us know. Remove 你, put in 这个那个. 这个好吗? 这个很好. 那个好吗？那个很好。Isn't it easy? Very easy, Sifu. Yes, this is easy. Because I'm teaching you how the language works. Because why a lot of my students can speak fluent Mandarin is because they know how the language works. If you don't know how the language works, then you'll continue to learn and learn and learn and learn, and then you know where you're going with this language. Okay? Understand how the language works. So in this video, I'm showing you how. Just a simple ni hao ma. How elaborate we can go. Just with ni hao ma only. How do you find this video? Is it interesting or not? Very easy, right? Using ni hao ma, you can go somewhere else. Alright, so this is the video of understanding the usage of ni hao ma and how can you switch it to 这个那个这个好吗？那个好吗？这个很好，那个很好。谢谢。